Alright, so I just turned a whole bunch of the stuff into that gray antimatter and got plenty of iron. So let's go ahead and grab our quest book again. Call that good. That's pretty awesome. It gave us an iron pickaxe. It means it means nothing really to you guys because you don't have to watch me dig too much. But it means it's quite a bit better for me. So now it wants us to make a bucket. A bucket is just made out of iron. An iron, however, is just 16 ingots in the top left corner, which that is important. So part of this book that I was accidentally opening up earlier, it states it has this little tool for when you get into AE2, Applied Energistics 2, that slot does matter. So you have to make these slot fillers and stuff like that, which are very cheap. You make those, put it into the recipe. That way it is in a specific corner. Because, like I said, where it's at in there does matter. See? Now, if I were to put it anywhere else, it could have made... I think it can technically make the dust. But I think it takes the same amount of iron. So, but we got 3 iron, which means we can now make our bucket. So there's that done. Awesome. Got that for when our pickaxe breaks. Craft a water bucket in the chemical combiner. So water bucket in the chemical combiner is H2O, 16 of it. So hydrogen, oxygen, and all we need is 16, right? So H2O, simple, right? It's just 2 hydrogen and then 1 part oxygen. So, and then all we need is 16. And H2O is just the water you drink every day. Don't think I need to really explain that one. And then we'll put that there, let that go. Water bucket. Water bucket. I actually should have made another one. Because now it's going to want 10. So let's go ahead and start an infinite water source somewhere. This is kind of where let's have it actually kind of right here. I don't plan on actually using these here. Would it be faster with a pickaxe? Maybe a little bit faster. It says axe then check mark. I don't think that's quite accurate, but so we'll throw 1 bucket in there. Throw some more of this in here. One more of these. Boom, infinite water source. And I'm going to do something that's tedious, but I do not want to waste more iron on buckets. It wants 10 buckets of water, and actually what I'll show you something real quick. So this quest just gave us some more dirt. Cool. Well, what we'll do is we'll plant it. And then what it also did is gave us these screens. So, 1 second. I thought it was going to give me 10 dirt. So I had to think when I saw 8. So, and we'll actually need to put down the water. So we'll plan on just putting it right there. And then put this here. So, because we want our plants to be growing, right? And this will make it so it actually fertilizes and actually starts growing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up this, open this up, and I click it to confirm it and it takes the water out. What I really want to show you, because I think this will be nice when it comes to our much bigger projects. Sadly, I can't put it here. I was thinking I might be able to. What we'll do is we'll kind of, well, I want it. I don't know, because I really wanted it, like, out here. Well, once we get applied energistics, it's going to be connected to that anyway. So I think what we'll do is we'll just... Actually, we'll start off to the side. And we'll try to... If it's that big in which it takes that long, we'll start off the episodes with it. But what I can do is I can right-click, choose a task. So right now we're doing 10 millibuckets of water. So I click that, and it shows me how far we got. So now I'll grab it again, go into the quest book, and submit more. If I come over here, I think it even went up a bit. So it just tells us kind of what the goal is. Which I have 10 of these, and I'm not sure why I need so many. But I think it's a really cool idea. So I'll be right back after I do this, and we should be able to finish this up real soon. Alright, so that was pretty quick. And it even recommends making an infinite water source. Target to the quest so that you can submit fluids. And with an empty hand to set target to this quest so that you can submit fluids. I don't know what that's good about. We might... Maybe one of the things that we can also do with that screen, because it's talking about this, is that we can pump it into it just to get it going, but I'm not sure on that. So, boop. What is this about? False. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I think we can actually put stuff into it. And then make our own personal quest, stuff like that. I wonder if we can change it to nothing. That way I don't have this constantly up. And it's fine. So, next quest is going to be high-tech water vaporizing technology. Just an evaporator, which is just some stone. So what we'll do is we'll make this furnace. Oh, really? It's not going to show the chest, it'll show the furnace. Maybe we need to move the furnace away from this and it'll be good. There we go. And then I believe about that many. I think about this many needs to be smelted to get what we need. I need to plant trees. Also, I think I'm just going to burn those. So let me plant these trees. Oops, I know what I did. Give me those. I should probably... I keep forgetting I don't have to spam it. I should probably actually take some of this and move it to where our tree farm is separated from the rest of our stuff. That was a pretty big tree. Oh, look at all the fruit and everything. Yum. Cool. I think I missed something. There we go. Let's just swap you out real quick. Get this going a little bit. Very, very little bit. Boom. So that's going. So give me a minute while I wait for some of this to smelt up so that way we can get this into smooth stone to then create the stuff we need. Alright. So about to ding on that quest. Boom. I don't know quite what we need that for. Put some water in the vaporizer and you'll get mineral salts, which you can dissolve to get minerals. Simple enough, right? And what we'll do is we will put those around our infinite water source here. I'll have a couple more of those smelting. Where's our bucket? I'm blind. Very much so am I blind. See, now we'll just fill these up. No! Boom, 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 boom. I believe it uses 50 per. We'll see in a second. One second. So it looks like it uses. I'm frankly not sure. 125 each. It's about 125. So half a bucket. So you get about 8 per bucket. I never did the math on that until now. So you get about 8 salts per bucket. So, and that's all that'll do. And then you just use these inside of the dissolver and you get it some pieces. So now the last thing we got to do is just collect the storage system. So you can collect all these and use whichever one we want. I, however, am going to go with AE. So what I'm going to do is... Ooh, how do I want to go about this? I forgot about this needing power and everything. And I do want it to be close by. So... So this is going to be the last thing we do. So I want the AE stuff. Applied energistics. Applied energistics. Boom, boom. I think that's everything I need for now. So let's go ahead and do. Which way around was it? Was it the acceptor and then the energy cell? Or was the energy cell acceptor and then... Wait, I think it's acceptor and then... So boom. Boom. Right, okay, good. And then what we'll do is throw this right here. Throw that in there. Throw this on top of here. And that there. Now we should be able to take all this stuff in here. And throw it in here. Just so everything's in one spot. Right, and we shouldn't need this chest now. And we'll leave that there, and I'll leave this here in case this ever crashes on me. So, that's set up, and that would be, well, let's also make sure it's JEI synchronized, so if I type something, it types it in right over here. And then let's make sure... Let's get our quest book. Oh, and then we want it sorted by item name, number of items. So then there's our quest book. Boom. So that's 100%. Now we just have to do chapter 2 next. So, but we'll work on that next time I record. But otherwise, this is the first set of Omnifactory. That's, I mean, not too exciting, but I think it's kind of good to learn some of this stuff. It's interesting. Let's go ahead, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Let's see. Let's make myself a little thing here. Input. How did I do my own? So, drawer. Apparently don't know how to spell drawer. So let's click that. Accept. I wanted a drawer. What am I doing then? Accept. I'm not quite sure what that did. I thought task. Oh, I thought I was able to do my own drawers. or set my own task for this. Oh. Interesting. So each one is interesting. So if I do that, and then we do this. I'll mess around with that a little bit more. Let's see if we can make a sign real quick just so I don't forget. Because let's be realistic with myself. I will forget. So let's just get a sign going here. Boom, boom, boom. Just one of those. And then we'll just smack it in the middle of this. Boom. Do. Make, what would it be? 111 more drawers. Boom. That way I remember to get that set up. And then next episode we'll start on all this. We'll actually be going to the Nether. I don't think we're going to get through all this again, because this starts to ask for a lot more stuff. But I think we'll have a chance to learn, because these I know nothing about. So I'll be learning with you guys when it comes to that. I'm not, however, gonna I'm not gonna try it any. Maybe we'll figure out why they decided this plus this equals redstone. I mean, iron oxide, I believe, is just rust. Although I don't know what strontium and carbonate. I don't know what that is, so we'll see what that is. Maybe there's a reason that they have it this way. But I'll see you in the next episode, guys. All right? Have a good one. Bye.